Hello, I am A.L. Banson. Stick with me, and for the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you a key that will change the quality of your life. This is Mastering the Game, and we are going to delve deep into the mindset of Cristiano Ronaldo. Here's a quote from my book, Mastering the Game. Resurrect your talent and use it. It's your responsibility. So if you have buried your talent because of what people said, because people mocked you, or you failed, or you messed up, it's time to resurrect your talent. It is your responsibility to discover your talent, to resurrect it, nurture it, and use it to succeed. Your talent is like your superpower. It is like your weapon that you use to excel. All those who have excelled in life that we admire and who inspire us have used their talent or their gift. And you are not exceptional. You also have a talent and gift. There is no person in this world who does not have a talent or gift. As a matter of fact, most people have multiple talents and gifts, but they choose to bury it. It's time for you to resurrect yours, develop it, and use it. That is your responsibility. No one can do that for you. I can inspire you, I can encourage you, I can give you some keys, but the job of resurrecting and using your talent is up to you. I want you to share this video with your friends on all your various platforms, like, and then comment below something you are going to do today to improve the quality of your life and to develop your talent. I hope to see you very soon again. Until next time, this has been A.L. Banson, Mastering the Game. Bye-bye.